Paige and Jacob, your love is something that you both cherish, so much so that it has moved you to join in the union of marriage and create a home together. Today, you dedicate your lives to giving one another happiness and support. To be certain, entering to the covenant of marriage is an act of deep trust and faith in the strength of your love.
I, Jacob Harrington, solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God. I take you to be my lovely wife, and I will be your loving husband. And whenever you need me, I will be there supporting and loving you through anything.
Jacob Dean, you're the love of my life. Being with you feels like home, and I'm so grateful that we made the choice to hold on to what we have to strengthen a relationship. You're an incredible man, and you're so generous to everyone that's around you. And I respect that so much. You inspire me every day with the drive you have to get things done, and you're a genuine demeanor in life.
My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears are happiness shaking, 'cause I know that I found love. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours.
Oh, my Paige.
No one's fine.
When she met Jacob, I noticed something changed. Not necessarily in a big way, but in little ways. She smiled more, she laughed louder, and she just settled into herself. Let's be real though, we all knew it was love when we found out she was not only on a boat, but legitimately in a lake. No chance that would have happened before you, Jacob. Jacob, thank you for loving my sister the way that she deserves to be loved. Thank you for being her calm in the storm, her partner in every sense of the word, and the person who's now officially the newest member of our family.
Our family would not have been complete without Paige. Paul probably wouldn't be here because she saved his life on a number of occasions when he was a toddler.
I'm excited for the challenge of marriage as we complement each other so well. I love you so much, and I can't wait to be your wife.
Thank you.
Paige and Jacob, inasmuch as you have pledged yourselves each to each other and have declared the same in the presence of this company and God, by the exchange of vows and by the giving and receiving of rings and towels, by the power invested in me by the state of Missouri, and as a minister of the Lord Jesus Christ, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And Jacob, you may kiss your bride.
I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together and have the most fun we've ever had. I promise to make it the best life ever. Love, Jacob.